Hello friends, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, I will explain the use of switch function. The example that I will be using is the customer shopping bills, and you can see that in this sheet I have the bill number, customer name, total amount, and next is the membership, and on the basis of the membership there will be different discount percentages. The detail of the membership categories along with the discount is given in this side table. Here you can see that the gold members can get 5% discount, silver members can get 10%, and platinum members can get 15% discount. So on the basis of this category, we want to get the discount percentage in this E column. So for this purpose, here in this E3 cell, I will write equal switch. And in the syntax of the switch function, you can see the first thing is the expression. Expression is actually the column where we have the values. So the membership like gold, silver and platinum is given in this T column. So I will select this cell and after this I will put comma. Next I have to provide the first value. For example, the first value is the gold. So I will write in inverted commas gold. After this I will put comma and the percentage is 5%. Next, I will provide the second value, that is silver. I will put comma and provide the percentage, that is 10%. And similarly, I will put the third value, that is platinum. And after putting comma, I will write the 15%. After giving all the condition, the last optional argument, if we want to appear anything, if nothing is matched, I would like to have the text not member. Now I will close the parentheses and hit enter. To apply this to all the cells, I will drag my cursor to the bottom right corner of this cell and then double click it. Once we get all the discount percentage, the next thing is the final amount after the discount. For this purpose, I will write equal the actual amount minus 5% of the actual amount and then hit enter. So this is the final amount that they have to give. Now just to check that if, for example, any customer is not a member of any category, then I just go to this cell and press delete to delete this membership. Now you can see that the information that is given in this cell is not member. So it's mean that the last thing that we have given in the argument, that if nothing is matched, then there should be written not member. In this way, we can make use of the switch function to extract the values based on any category. We can also make use of other Excel functions like nested if function or the XLOOKUP function to do the same, but the switch function is very easy to apply and the syntax is quite easy. Therefore, it's better to use the switch function rather than the long arguments of the nested if function. And that's how the switch function can simplify your work. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks.